This is the Mr. Soot Training Centre in Wigan, and I'm here to meet David Sudworth, founder and director of Mr. Soot. Really good to meet you, David. Thank you very much for the invitation.
No problem at all. Great. I'm really glad to welcome you to Wigan to our Heat Approved Mr. Soot Training Centre. Would you like to have a look around?
It would be lovely. So this has been open for a couple of years?
Yes, so we got the keys in January 2023, did a lot of building work. This was a cafe, so we had to rip everything out and pretty much start again. So we did a lot of building work, a lot of painting, which I hate, but we finally opened. We ran our first course in September 2023, and since then we've had heat house sweeping courses and installer courses, and also continual professional development courses for sweeps and installers, and business courses as well. So we're a one-stop shop for the solid fuel industry and training.
It's fantastic. I mean, show us around because you've got so much going on here. It's brilliant.
Absolutely, will do. So we've got quite a range of training rigs here which cover various different scenarios. We've got like an inset stove. Here is a thermocreted chimney, so it shows people who are on our courses what a thermocrete chimney looks like. Traditional open fire, examples of terminals which may or may not be suitable for the appliance. And this is one of our training rigs, which is a live rig, and installers can come here. People who've never installed a stove before, they can come here, they can drop a chimney liner and connect it and commission the appliance. So actually you can come here with no experience at all and get hands-on experience of how to install a flexible chimney liner, connect it to a stove and commission it. So we think that's important because obviously you can talk a lot about theory and you can talk about regulations, but actually doing the job is very different. So some of our other rigs include a fault rig, which candidates look at. They note any things which aren't compliant with approved document J building regulations, and then they issue the appropriate paperwork. I won't show you that because they get tested on that. So anyone who swept a chimney or serviced an Argo Little Wenlock will know that that is one of the most hated stoves among sweeps because it's quite difficult to get into. So of course we've got it in our training centre, so people can sweat and swear here rather than in a customer's house. And this is connected to a clay-based system, which is to demonstrate how chimneys were built after 1966, when chimneys had to be lined as part of their construction. And we have a small simulated chimney stack here, which shows how different pots and terminals can be put on. And also we use this to do smoke testing. So we'll fill this with smoke, cap it off, and then candidates can observe if there's any smoke coming into the adjacent flue, and that simulates a type 1 smoke test under controlled conditions. I won't tell you if it leaks or not. You'll have to come here to find that out.
So this one is your stove with the Recoheat.
It is, yes. So it's a wood warm stove, a classic stove, and it's got a Recoheat just in here. So it's a 6-inch flue with an appropriate Recoheat in. And to be honest, it's been a godsend for us because this room, obviously, it's quite a large room,
right,
and we had quite a chilly winter. And during winter, the stove itself just didn't cut it, which I was surprised at because it's well over 5 kilowatts, but it just didn't cut it. So I thought, how can we get a bit more heat in this room? And I thought to myself, I know, let's have a look at Recoheat. It's easy to install, and we installed that maybe November time. To be honest, I should have installed it in September and just cut to the chase, but you don't know because obviously it was our first year here, and it was just it just warmed the room up massively, and it certainly cut down on the amount of fuel we use as well, and also just people feel warmer. A lot of training centres, they're in very big buildings, so that it's quite cold sometimes. We didn't want that for here. We want a comfortable environment, and that includes having sufficient heating. So the Recoheat, we pointed it this way towards the class so that people can get nice and warm. And like I say, we just wouldn't be without it now.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's an efficient way to light a stove.
What I like about the Recoheat mostly is that it doesn't take as long for the room to get hot.
Yeah.
So, because obviously you light a stove and then you're waiting for the convection to happen. But the good thing for with the Recoheat that we found is that basically, pretty much from the get-go, you can start to get air into the hot air into the room.
Yeah.
So we simply just switch it on here, and that little coil will work its magic. And you know, even now you can feel that is air that's warming up very nicely.
Yeah.
So we'll come in the mornings, maybe an hour before the training courses start, and by the time people get here, it's nice and toasty. Which, obviously, in the depths of winter, there's a roaring fire and a nice warm room is the perfect way to start a day and to get people learning. So they sit down, grab a coffee, open their notebooks up, and listen to me whistle on for a good few hours. But at least they've got a nice warming fire to look at.
Oh, it's brilliant. That's absolutely fantastic.
Thanks so much to David for his support and enthusiasm, and indeed the boundless energy with which he contributes so much to the industry. We benefit enormously from the training and familiarisation the centre offers to sweeps and installers coming to Wigan from right across the country. We're really grateful.